Welcome to the Volta Regional Qualifiers of the 2020 National Science and Math Quiz. Hohoi EP Senior High School. Let's give them a round of applause. We have Dabala Senior High School. And we have Sunrise Senior High School.
In 2018, Sunrise Senior High School, then debutants, became one of the National Science and Maths Quiz favorites when they upstaged Opokiwari School, two-time champions of the National Science and Maths Quiz, at the 1/8 stage of the National Championship. They've been quite a formidable team ever since their first appearance, and many tipped them to win this contest.
Quiz mistress. Preamble, simplify. Hohoi.
Among all the four schools, Some Senior High School had a good start by picking most of the bonus questions in the first round.
Log 64.
We have log 3/4.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Yes, Sunrise. Quick.
3/4.
That's incorrect. The answer is 1. Dabala. Log 125 multiplying log 81 all over log 27 multiplying log 25.
15.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Yes, Some.
2.
2 is right. Sunrise. Log 1/125 multiplying log 81 all over log 1/27 multiplying log 1/25.
1/2.
That's incorrect. Bonus. It's -2. So, log 8 multiplying log 125 all over log 32 multiplying log 25. Oh, it's your own question.
9/10.
9/10. In an experiment to determine the diameter of a sphere, 3 independent measurements gave 0.20 centimeters, 0.22 centimeters, and 0.24 centimeters. Give the best estimate of the diameter of the sphere.
0.22 centimeters.
Yes, you are right. Dabala. Measurement of the height of a ceiling above a level floor at random positions gave 2.73 meters, 2.74 meters, and 2.78 meters. Give the estimate of the height of the ceiling.
2.74 meters.
That's incorrect. Some.
2.75 meters.
Yes. Sunrise. Repeated measurements of the height of a cylinder give 5.0 centimeters, 4.9 centimeters, and 5.4 centimeters. Calculate the best value for the height of the cylinder.
4.95 centimeters.
That's incorrect. Yes, so
5.1 centimeters.
Yes. So in an experiment to determine the mass of an object, 3 independent measurements gave 2.85 grams, 2.89 grams, and 2.87 grams. Give the best estimate of the mass of the object.
2.87 grams.
Yes, 2.87 grams. Round 2 is a round of speed.
There was a swift turn of events in the second round. For some reason, Some Senior High School lost steam in the speed race, while Sunrise Senior High School dominated the round.
Types of ecological pyramids. Sunrise.
Pyramid of numbers and pyramid of biomass.
Yes. Where does aerobic and anaerobic respiration occur in? Yes, Sunrise.
It occurs in the mitochondrium.
That is the aerobic, and the anaerobic occurs in the cytoplasm.
Yes. Which soil is called farmer's best friend? Yes, sunrise.
The loamy soil.
The loamy soil. Find the magnitude of the electric field between two very large parallel plates, 8 millimeters apart, with potential difference of 24 volts across them. Sunrise.
3 kilovolts per meter.
Yes. 3,000 volts per meter. So 3 kilovolts per meter. This brings us to the end of the second round. Asidegwemaulolo out. And then Ametonu Joshua in. Clap for me.
In the third round, Sunrise Senior High School maintained their dominance by answering the highest number of statements in that round.
If you answer correctly, you have 2 points. If you answer wrongly, penalty of 1. I start with Dabala SHS. Preamble states whether the following statements are true or false with respect to multicellular organisms. Dabala, they are macroscopic in nature.
False.
It's a true statement. Sunrise. Reproduction happens sexually as well as asexually.
True.
Yes, it's true. Some includes both eukaryotes and prokaryotes.
True.
It's a false statement. Hohoi. Injury to a cell does not cause death of the multicellular organism.
False.
It's a true statement. Dabala. Sandy soils are one of the poorest types of soils for growing plants because it has very low nutrients but good in holding water.
False.
It's false. Sunrise. Sandy soil is usually formed by the breakdown or fragmentation of rocks like granite and limestone.
False.
It's a true statement. Silt. Silt is the smooth and quite fine quality soil that holds water better than sand.
True.
It's a false statement. Hohoi. Silt is the densest and heaviest type of soil which does not drain well or provide space for plant roots to flourish.
It's true.
No, it's a false statement. The last round.
In the final round, Sunrise Senior High School picked 2 of the riddles, while Some Senior High School and Hohoi EP Senior High School picked 1 of the riddles each.
Points. Second clue, 4 points. The third clue thereafter, you have 3 points. I am a predatory arachnid. I am found in virtually every terrestrial habitat. I have a narrow segmented tail that is often carried in characteristic, oh yes, sunrise.
Scorpion.
Scorpion is right. I am a scalar physical quantity. I can have a positive value, a negative value. Yes, hohoi.
Work.
Work is right. For 4 points on second clue. I am a rigid transformation. Hohoi.
Rigid motion.
No. With me, a point moves on an arc. I involve a central point and an angular measure. Some
Rotation.
rotation is right for 3 points. You would wonder where my strength comes from. I operate through one of the smallest chemical species. I claim most of the credits for replication of your genes. I am neither a covalent bond nor a van der Waals force. Some.
Na.
No. Yes, Sunrise.
Hydrogen bomb.
Hydrogen bonding for 3 points. At the end of the contest, Dabala SHS had 8 points. Some SHS 13 points. Hohoi EP Senior High 21 points. Sunrise SHS 39 points.
Congratulations to Sunrise Senior High School for making it to the national championship.
To the national stage.
In the second contest of the day, the girls from Ola Senior High School stole the show by putting up an excellent performance.
This contest features Ola Senior High School. Oh. We have Tongo SHTS. And we have Dofo SHS.
Ola Senior High School outshined their contenders right from the beginning of the contest. They answered most of their major questions correctly and also earned more points from bonus questions.
Preamble. Describe guttation with respect to the following. Tongo, the time that it occurs.
It occurs during the night.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. It occurs early in the morning and at night. Therefore, the structures and leaves through which it takes place.
The stomata.
That's incorrect. Bonus. Ola.
Hydathote.
Hydathote is right. Ola. Areas of the leaf where it occurs.
It occurs along the margin.
Yes, on the margin. Preamble. In general, the nitrogen cycle has 5 steps. Name one each.
Nitrification.
Yes, nitrification. Therefore,
Denitrification.
denitrification. Ola.
Ammonification. Ammonification.
Ammonification. Tongo, define the term first ionization energy of an element.
First ionization energy of an element is the energy required to remove one electron from the outermost shell of an isolated gaseous species.
Yes. Therefore, give any 3 factors that can influence the first ionization energy of an atom.
Effective nuclear charge, atomic number, and
Okay, 1 out of 3. You can have atomic radius, not the number. You can have the Sheldon effect, stability of electronic configuration, and then the effective nuclear charge. Ola, how would the second ionization energy of an atom compare with the first ionization energy, and what are the reasons?
Okay, so the second ionization energy is greater than the first ionization energy. This is as a result of the fact that it is highly difficult to release to remove an electron from an already stable ion, like from an already stable ion, as compared to the first, where because the shielding effect increases, and then the effective nuclear charge on the electrons increases.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Yes, the second ionization energy will be larger. To be greater than the first, yes. And then the reason the second electron is removed from a positively charged ion, yes. Then you have the atomic radius is smaller, so the attractive force of the nucleus becomes larger.
From the girls' performance in
Round
the first round, it did not come as a surprise when they literally bullied their contenders in the second round.
If you answer correctly on the first attempt, you have 3 points. Second attempt, 2 points. The last attempt, you have 1 point. Find the quadratic inequality with the solution set x such that -3 less than x less than 0. Yes, the 4.
S squared plus 3x less than 0.
Yes, you are right. A potential divider is made up of a 50 ohm resistor in series with a 25 ohm resistor. Find the potential difference across the 25 ohm resistor when 15 volts is applied across the divider. Yes, Ola?
5 volts.
5 volts. Name the single logic gate which realizes the logic function not A and B. Yes, Tongo?
Logical reasoning.
No. Yes, Ola?
NAND.
NAND. For 2 points. Find the linear momentum of a 2.0 kilogram object moving with velocity of 8.0 meters per second due west. Yes, Mola?
We have 16 kilogram meters per second due west.
Yes. Which organ in human is responsible for recycling the old red blood cells? Yes, the 4.
The spleen.
The spleen is right.
In the third round, Ola Senior High School maintained their impressive performance by answering all their statements correctly.
You tell me whether the statement is true or false. Correct answer, you have 2 points. If you get it wrong, a penalty of 1. Therefore, the joule is a derived unit in the SI system.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Ola, the coulomb is a derived unit in the SI system.
It's a true statement.
Come again?
It's a true statement.
Yes, it's a true statement. Tongo, the ampere is a derived unit in the SI system.
It's true.
No, it's a false statement. Therefore, when the temperature of a fixed quantity of an ideal gas is decreased at constant volume by a factor of 3, the pressure increases by a factor of 3.
It's true.
No, it's a false statement. Ola, when the pressure of a fixed quantity of an ideal gas is decreased at constant volume by factor of 3, the temperature increases by factor of 3.
It's a false statement.
It's a false statement. Tongo, when the temperature of a fixed quantity of an ideal gas is decreased at constant volume by factor of 4, the pressure decreases by factor of 4.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. The last round is a round of riddles.
In the final round, the girls crowned their efforts by picking 2 of the riddles.
Second clue 4 points. The third clue thereafter, you have 3 points. I am a branch of biology. Historically, I was a branch of botany. Although I am evolutionarily more closely related to animals than to plants, this was not recognized until a few decades ago. Many of my members produce toxins, antibiotics, and other secondary metabolites. I am the branch of biology concerned with the study of fungi. Who am I? Ola?
Mycology.
Mycology. I am associated with a circle. I am not a sector or a segment. Neither am I a diameter or a chord. I am simply a part of a circle. between 2 points on the circle. Yes, Tongo. Ak is right for 3 points. I am a dynamical property of an object. I characterize the state of motion of an object. I am a vector quantity. My rate of change equals the net force on the object. For slowly moving objects, I equal the product of mass and velocity. Yes, Ola.
Linear momentum.
Linear momentum. The end of round 4. At the end of the contest, Duffer Senior High School had 9 points. Oh, clap for them.
Excellent performance, Ola Senior High School. Congratulations once again.
Ola Senior High School hold a wide margin of 52 points. Congratulations to my girls.
Like Ola Senior High School, Maoli School faced no trouble winning the third contest of the day.
Quiz. This contest features Afuega Senior High School, Maoli School, and Adakulu Senior High School.
In the first round of the contest, both Amfuega Senior High School and Adakulu Senior High School failed to answer most of their major questions correctly, and Maoli School capitalized on that to garner more points from their bonus questions.
Afuega, name the 2 groups in the periodic table. Group 4 of 14 or group 5 of 15 has more semi-metals.
4 or 14.
Yes, Maoli?
We have group 4.
That's incorrect. Both of them have the same number of semi-metals. Krypton and xenon both belong to group O, or the noble gases. Which of them has the higher atomic number?
We have xenon.
Yes, xenon is right. Xenon has 54, krypton has 36. Preamble, find the real zeros of the function y equals f of x when Adakulu f of x equals x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4.
The zeros are -1, and -4.
That's incorrect. Yes, Maoli?
The zeros are -2, +2, and +1.
Yes. Afuega, f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 9x plus 18.
-2, +2, and -3.
That's incorrect. Hold on. Let me give them 1 out of 3. It's +2 and then plus or minus 3. Maoli, f of x equals x cubed minus 4x squared minus 4x plus 16. Yes, go ahead.
The zeros are ±2 and 4.
You are right. Round 2 is a round of speed. Here a question is given to all the schools at the same time.
The speed race was like a bonus round for Maoli School as they picked about 99% of the questions. They were too swift for their contenders to keep up.
You have 1 point. Agar, which is a solidifying agent in many bacteria culture, is part of the cell wall of which group of algae? Yes, Maoli?
Red algae.
Yes. Or the rhodophyta. Name the part of a plant responsible for support and positioning of leaves for best exposure to the sun. Yes, Maoli?
The stem.
The stem is right. Find the angle between the vectors a equals 2I minus j and b equals negative I minus 2j. Maoli?
It's 90 degrees.
It is 90 degrees. Find the coordinates of the x-intercept of the curve y equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. Maoli again.
We have the coordinate to be 2. We have 0. We have the coordinate to be of the s-intercept to be 2, 0, 2, 0 and minus 2, 0.
Yes. If log y minus 2 log x equals 1, express y in terms of x. Maoli?
We have y to be equal to 10x squared.
Yes. Substitution. Afuega Alfred is coming in as Benjamin goes out. Adakulo. Promise is coming in for Terry. Zida. Maoli Raymond is going out as Richmond comes in.
In the third round, Amfuega Senior High School and Adaklu Senior High School bounced back into the game. However, they couldn't do much.
Is true or false? Correct answer, you have 2 points. A wrong answer, minus 1. Cos 45 degrees is equal to cos 135 degrees.
False statement.
It's a false statement. Maoli, sine 45 degrees is equal to sine 135 degrees.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Adaklu, tan 45 degrees is equal to tan 135 degrees.
False.
Yes, it's a false statement. And for example, it is possible for a quadratic function to have no zero.
It's a false statement.
It's a true statement. Maoli, it is possible for a cubic polynomial to have no zero.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Adaklu, it is possible for a polynomial of degree 4 to have no zero.
True.
Yes, it's true. The last round is a round of riddles. I'll present to you 4 riddles. If you answer correctly on the first clue, you have 5.
Just like the speed race, Maoli School owned the final round by picking 3 of the riddles.
3 points. I am a 3 digits number. I am between 400 and 500. I am an odd square. When my digits are reversed, another square is produced. My second digit is a square. My last digit is an identity. Who am I? Maoli?
441.
441. I am a tube-shaped segmented organism found in the phylum Annelida. I have the ability to regenerate lost segments. Yes?
Earthworm.
Earthworm. On the second clue for 4 points. I am an organic compound. I am a liquid at room temperature. My molecules are made up of 2 different elements in equal proportions. I hate addition reactions, but love substitution reactions, especially those ones initiated by electrophiles. Ever since I was found to be carcinogenic, scientists are cautioned about my use as a solvent. Who am I? Yes, Maoli?
Benzene.
You are benzene. The end of round 4. The end of the contest. Afuega Senior High School had 1 point. Adaklo Senior High School 10 points. Maoli School has 54 points. Congratulations, Maoli School, for making it to the national stage. Welcome to the Volta Regional Qualifiers of the 2020 National Science and Maths Quiz.
The last contest of the day, just like the second and third contests, was also one-sided as Bishop Hermann College trashed their opponents.
Senior High School.
Bishop Hermann College had a whale of a time in the first round, answering their major questions correctly, as well as picking all the bonus questions in the round.
Of a particle moving at 2 meters per second in a circle of radius 0.5 meters.
8 meters per second squared.
You are right. Agotime. Find the radius of the circle in which a particle moving at 4 meters per second has centripetal acceleration of magnitude 8 meters per second squared.
Two meters per second squared.
That's incorrect. Yes, Bishop Hermann.
2 meters.
2 meters. Ozolo. Find the magnitude of the centripetal acceleration of a particle moving at 5 meters per second in a circle of radius 5 meters.
5 meters per second square.
Yes. Preamble. Find the coordinates of the image of the points A, 2, 3, when reflected in the line with the equation. Bishop Hermann, y equals x.
The coordinate is 3, 2.
You are right. Agotime. Y equals negative x.
3 neg 2.
That's incorrect. Bishop Hermann.
Negative 3, negative 2.
Yes. Zolo. X equals 3.
2 9.
That's incorrect. Bishop Hermann.
4, 3.
4 3 is right.
If a stranger who did not know the rules of the game had walked in the middle of the speed race, they would have thought that the questions in this round were meant for Bishop Hermann College only.
When your answer is ready, you draw my attention with your bell. If you answer correctly on first attempt, you have 3 points, second attempt 2 points, the last attempt 1 point. However, if you answer wrongly, you have a penalty of 1. A 10 Newton effort is applied 20 centimeters from the fulcrum of the lever. What load located 5 centimeters from the fulcrum can the effort overcome? Yes, Bishop Hermann.
40 newtons.
40 newtons. In biology, what name is given to the multitude of networks showing the flow of energy in an ecosystem? Bishop Hermann?
The food web.
The food web. Mention the two major gaseous waste products produced by plants.
Oxygen gas and carbon dioxide gas.
Yes. Find constants A and B such that x over x minus 2 multiplying x plus 1 is equivalent to A over x minus 2 plus B over x plus 1. Yes, Bishop Hermann.
The value of A is 2 over 3 and that of B is 1 over 3.
Yes. Express the direction of vector A equals I minus root 3j as a bearing. Bishop Hermann.
150 degrees.
150 degrees. Name the indicator used in MnO4 minus versus Fe2 plus titrations. Yes, Bishop Hermann.
No indicator is needed.
No indicator is used. Round 3 is a round of true or false.
In the third round, Agotime Senior High School and Jolo Senior High School managed to answer some of their statements correctly. Unfortunately, they lost accumulated points by answering most of their statements incorrectly.
I squared equals -1. Then Agotime 2 plus I multiplying another expression 2 minus I is equal to 5.
It's a false statement.
It's a true statement. Zolo 2I to the power 3 equals 8I.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Bishop Hermann, I to the power 5 is equal to I.
It is true.
Yes, it's true. Simplast consists of cytoplasm network of every plant cell interconnected by plasmodest matter.
It's true.
It's true. Zolo, the symplastic pathway is not affected by metabolic states of the roots.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Bishop Hermann, the apoplastic pathway does not involve protoplasm in the plant tissues.
It's false.
It's a true statement. All solid trioxonitrates 5 salts are unstable to heat.
It's a false statement.
It's a true statement. Zolo, Pb in brackets NO3 2 on heating produces PbO, O2 and N2O.
It's true.
No, it's a false statement. Only PbO, O2 and NO2 are obtained. Bishop Hermann, LiNO3 on heating gives Li2O and NO2.
It is true.
No, it's a false statement.
In the last round, Bishop Hermann College swept all the 4 riddles.
The first clue you have 5 points, second clue 4 points, the third clue thereafter you have 3 points. You draw my attention with your bell when your answer is ready. No deductions yet, so give it a try. I am a scalar physical quantity. I am a physical property of a substance. My value for a given substance depends on the state of the substance. For gases, Zolo?
Temperature.
No. For gases, I decrease as temperature increases at constant pressure. I am the mass of the unit volume of a substance. Yes, Bishop Hermann.
Density.
It is density. I trace my origins in an industrial scale manufacture from a base. This appears a contradiction because I am an acid. I am indeed a prominent and strong member of the Bronsted Lorry fraternity. I am a strong oxidizing agent as well. I am produced on industrial scale by Ostwald process. Yes, Bishop Hermann.
HNO3.
HNO3. I am an aqueous solution. I am dark green to yellowish brown in color. I consist mainly of salts, phospholipids, cholesterol, conjugated bilirubin, electrolytes, and water. Yes?
Bile.
It is bile. At the end of the contest,
Even though they faced no competition from their contenders, Bishop Hermann College had a really solid team, one that people must look out for at the national championship.
Bishop Hermann College had 67 points. A very beautiful performance by Bishop Hermann College. Congratulations, Bishop Hermann. Well done, the others.